Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. A very warm welcome to you all in my channel. My name is Neetu Singh and you are watching English Star Corner. Being a homemaker, being a mother of one kid, two kids, I understand that you want to learn this language, but the problem is that so many responsibility in our shoulders. That's why we are unable to learn properly. Why I'm saying this, we are not able to manage our time, that how we can manage. When I want to speak, my children is not sleeping. When I want to speak with someone, when I have some time to talk with, when I have time to do conversations, at that time my baby is playing. So this is the reason why I have no fixed time. ठीक है. अब now let's come to the second topic कि are you pressurizing yourself that within 2 or 3 months or 9 months you have to fluent in this language? भाई ऐसा मत करना. It is not possible that if you are forcing yourself that anyhow you have to learn this language, anyhow you have to do that, you have to fluent in this language. भाई when you are a kid you take 2 or 3 years to speak your local language. So it is very important to understand that your brain should be work, your mouth should be work, your mouth should be habitual of this language. ठीक है. अब करते हैं जो मैं आज की वीडियो में बनाने के लिए मैंने ये कैमरा स्टार्ट किया है. ठीक है. तो मैंने इंग्लिश कहना कैसे स्टार्ट की. बीइंग अ होम मेकर, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड. बीइंग अ होम मेकर, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि वी डोंट हैव आवर फिक्स टाइम. नहीं होता हमारे पास. वी एनी हाउ वी वॉन्ट टू मैनेज सो मैनी थिंग्स. एनी हाउ सम वर्क हैज़ स्टार्टेड, some family functions has came, some family relatives has came in our home. बच्चे की कभी बच्चा बीमार हो जाता है, कभी घर के काम निकल आते हैं, कभी हस्बैंड आ जाते हैं, कभी हमें ये करना होता है वो करना. भाई वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ द थिंग्स टू डू इन अ डे. ठीक है. सो वी कैन नॉट डिनाई दैट बिकॉज इफ वी आर होम मेकर, सो एटलीस्ट इन आफ्टरनून टाइम वी हैव सम टाइम फॉर आवर सेल्फ. अगर आपका बच्चा स्कूल जाता है तो आप दैट इज़ अ वेल एंड गुड. आपके पास 8 साढ़े 8 से आपका बच्चा चला जाता है तो वो एक या 1:30 आएगा. ठीक है. he will come 8 he go to his school at 8 to he will come back to his 1:30. Okay, so you have more time to learn this language. But the problem is that my baby is 3 years old, so that's why what I am doing to improve my English speaking journey. So today I will tell you. So my husband, he has to go to his office at 5:10. So before that I have to get up early in the morning because together I have to make breakfast for him and lunch for him. So you know what I'm doing? At that time there is no one who can stop me. I just put my headphone on my ear and I just first I started some music, and after that I'll just come to the English conversations video, any podcast, any songs, or any like anything which is related in English. I am listening these things. So these things I'm doing to improve my English language. And the second thing, when I have finished my all house chores work, when my baby is sleeping, his sleeping time is not fixed yet. So today he slept 2:30 and now he got up at 4:30. So I got 2 hours for myself. At that time I am making these videos to do my conversations, to my speaking practice. So that's why I have do my lesson practice, I am doing my speaking practice. And the one more thing, I have to do a reading practice, and I will tell you that what kind of the content right now I am reading. And that is very very interesting, guys. You feel the interest when you will read now. You feel that you will feel why I did not get before this, because that reading is totally different. There is a one Instagram reel was coming and you have to scroll that and सारी जो reels जो आप भी पढ़ना चाहते हैं and वो ऊपर जाता रहेगा, and then you have to focus on that. Okay, the how they are speaking, what is the pronunciation of that video, the word. So everything you can understand. Okay. तो भाई these thing I'm doing as a homemaker. अब now it's your turn to fix it out, that when did you get the time for listening, speaking or reading. These 3 things most important, and right now I'm not focusing on the grammatical parts or vocabulary sections because 6 months later my baby will go school, and after that fully I will focus on the vocabulary section. If I will say I have to learn 2 or 3 vocabularies every day, but that is not the cup of tea of mine, because if that vocabulary I cannot use in my daily routine, so I think that I will forget that vocabulary in 2 or 3 days. Okay, so that is the reason. And now you can tell me what is your reason, why are you learning this language, what is the difficulty are you feeling. You can write in the comment box, and definitely I love to see the results are coming. People are learning this language, and mostly housewives are coming in front of, they want to speak this language, they are coming, yeah I want to learn this language. So bye bye guys, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नई मोर अच्छी वीडियो के साथ. तो बने रहिए इस वीडियो में. अगर वीडियो को ज़रा सा भी अच्छा लगे तो लाइक्स कर लीजिए. अगर और सी वीडियो देखना चाहेंगे तो सब्सक्राइब करके ज़रूर जाना. एंड नेवर प्रेशराइज योर सेल्फ दैट एनी हाउ यू हैव टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. एनी हाउ दैट इज़ ओके, बट विद इन 3 or 6 months दैट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी गाइज. ओके, जय हिंद. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.